So now, let's learn how to use the Conversations inbox to manage all client messages in Shopify.io. So, let's click the conversation on the left sidebar. Then all the incoming messages, SMS, email, or DM appear here in one unified inbox. So, since we don't have any conversations, you can click to reply, add notes, or assign it to a team member. And also use the filter at the top to sort by channel, status, or assigned user. So click apply. So that's it for using the Conversations inbox to manage all the client messages.